If you've ever wanted to streamline requests or capture important info directly into your Asana projects, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make forms in Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know step-by-step how to set up customized forms, so you can collect information from your team, clients, or collaborators in a way that's clear, organized, and seamlessly plugged into your Asana workflow. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Asana. If you haven't logged in yet, just pop over to asana.com and sign in with your usual credentials. It might sound basic, but starting from the main dashboard ensures you have access to all your projects and tools, kind of like walking into your workspace for the day. Take a moment to get oriented. This is like your home base where everything starts. Next, you'll want to select the project you want to add a form to. Take a look through your list of projects. Maybe you're working on a client onboarding process, or maybe it's a bug tracking system. Click into the specific project where you need the form to live. This is important because each form is tied to a particular project, so all the submissions will appear where you need them. Don't worry if you're not sure which project to choose. You can always add forms to different projects later and fine-tune them as your needs change. Now, look for the Customize button, usually in the upper right area of your project's toolbar. Imagine this as your personal control panel. This is where you can tweak all sorts of settings to really make the project fit your workflow. Click Customize and a sidebar will pop out with different options. From here, find and select Forms. If you haven't explored this area before, you're in for a treat. Forms in Asana make it super easy to collect standardized information. Clicking into Forms will show you any existing forms and give you access to creating new ones. Ready to build your form? Click Create New Form and then hit Add. This is where the magic starts. You get to design what information your form will capture. Each field acts like a box for a piece of information, such as a name, a deadline, a detailed description, or even priority level. At this stage, it pays to think about what you actually need from people filling out the form. For example, if you're making an IT support request form, you might want to drop down for issue type, a space for a detailed description, and a field for urgency. Don't worry if you're not quite sure what fields to add. You can always tweak them later as you see how the form is used. Now, let's edit the fields. Click each field to change its title, description, input type, like short answer, drop down, or radio buttons, and whether the info is required. This is where you make the form truly yours. Be clear and concise with your field labels so people know exactly what to enter. For example, instead of just description, you might write, describe the issue in detail. Little tweaks like this minimize confusion and make your forms more effective. Take your time here, and remember you can preview the form to see how it'll look for folks filling it out. And that's it. Your form is built. Once you're happy with your fields, hit Save. You'll get a shareable link that you can send out to whoever needs to submit info to your project. All their submissions will drop right into your Asana tasks, ready for action. It's like having a front desk for your project, welcoming all the right info, sorted just the way you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like. And if you have any questions about setting up forms in Asana or ideas for your workflow, post them in the comments. I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.